A very hearty good morning to my dear student of class 4. My dear student, this is your computer class and I am here with the explanation of lesson 8 Tux Paint. So my dear, so far I have introduced you what is Tux Paint and also we have discussed about the components of Tux Paint. We came to know about various tools of the Tux Paint and I have given you the PDF also to understand and to write in your fair copy. So yesterday video I have taught you about the tools of the Tux Paint, in which we came to know that there is a paintbrush which is available in the Tux Paint and give us facility to draw the picture with freehand, and we can use different type of brushes with the help of selector, and we can draw the picture as we draw on the copy or on the paper with our pencil. Then there is a line tool which help us to draw perfectly straight line, and we can choose different kind of thickness from the selector, and we can choose the color also for the lines. Shapes tool is there. With the help of this tool, some filled and unfilled shapes can be drawn with different colors, and it allows us to draw different shapes at various angles. When you will choose the shapes tool from here, my dear children, you can see here shapes tool is there. Here is the shapes tool. When you will choose the shapes tool, then in the selector you will get different type of shapes. One side it will be only the with the line, and one side will be filled with color, filled unfilled both, whichever you like you can draw. Undo redo option is there. Undo option help us to cancel the task which recently we have done, and redo option help us to repeat the task which we have cancelled right now. My dear children, we have also came to know about the eraser tool which help us to rub or remove the picture from the screen, either partially or complete figure also you can rub. Today I am going to teach you about stamp tool. Before that, new tool also we have discussed yesterday. What is this new tool? So this tool help us to start a new canvas, a new picture, and by default you will get the white background, but you can choose the canvas color with the help of this available color. When you will choose a new option, you will get this all color, and whichever color you will choose, like that only your canvas will appear. The steps are given here. We click upon new button. With the help of up and down arrow key you can select any color, and finally we click open button, then that color canvas will be on the screen. Today I am going to discuss very important and interesting thing of the Tux Paint, which is stamp tool. My dear children, what is this stamp tool is? So this is the most attractive feature of Tux Paint. Hundred of photographs and cartoon stamps are available. My dear children, I have told you before that one more software we have learned in class 3, that was Paint. In class 2 and 3 you have learned about MS Paint. In that, this all picture we were supposed to draw. But in the Tux Paint, what facility is there? These all pictures are given in the computer's memory itself. You don't have to draw this picture. You just have to adjust and use this picture. These are the predefined picture which is in the Tux Paint software itself. Tux Paint software only are having these all pictures. Just you have to bring it and use it. So this is one of the most attractive feature of Tux Paint, that inbuilt ready-made pictures are there which we have to use only according to our need. So this only it comes in the stamp tool. So these all pictures from where we will get? From the stamp tool. So what is a stamp tool? This is the most attractive feature of Tux Paint. Hundred of photographs and cartoon stamps are available. These are easy to use and make drawing appealing and interesting. My dear children, stamp tool enables you to use different predefined picture in the canvas. Predefined means in the software it is already saved. You just have to use it. Perform the following steps to use this tool. Means if you want to use the stamp tool, we have to follow these steps which is given here. So first of all, click on new tool for a colored background. As I said to you that when you will choose the new option, then you will get new canvas color option and you have to choose any color from here. So first of all, you click upon new tool and choose one colored background. You can also start with the white one also, which you will get by default. After that, we will click on stamp tool. My dear children, you can see the first one here, it is a stamp tool. After selecting the background color, excuse me, after selecting the background color, you have to click on stamp tool. It displays a list of picture in the selected area. When you will choose the stamp tool from here, my dear children, in the selected area, you can see different type of picture has come. Cap picture, shoes picture, start, Christmas tree, gift chocolate, many more things are here, my dear children. So when you will click upon the stamp tool, it will display a list of picture in the selected area. By clicking the up and down arrow button, you can see more available pictures. So you can see here down arrow key and up arrow key is there. My dear children, you can see more pictures which are saved in the computer software. Now select the desired stamp, whichever stamp you like from here you can select and bring it to the canvas. After releasing mouse button, you will observe that selected stamp is available on canvas. Repeat the process to get different stamp of your choice. So my dear children, when you will select the desired template, desired stamp, and when you will click and hold and you will bring it here, just click it, hold the mouse left button, bring it here and release your mouse left button. Then that stamp, that picture will be available in your canvas. And you can add many more picture from this selected area, whatever picture you like, as many time you like. So once again, my dear children, if the question comes, what is a stamp tool? I am underlining it, and the question is also this, what is a stamp tool? Then you will tell, this is the most attractive feature of TuxPaint. Hundreds of photographs and cartoon stamps are available. These are easy to use and make drawing appealing and interesting. This is the answer of what is a stamp tool. Then the question I am writing here, how to use a stamp tool. Write steps. How to use stamp tool, write steps. So the answer begins from here. From here you will add the letter V. We perform the following steps to use this tool. Number 1, here also you write V. We click on new tool for a colored background. We can also start with the white one. Number 2, then you will write here, then V. Then we click on stamp tool. It display a list of picture in the selected area by clicking. So you can write till here only, selected area. Then we click stamp tool. It display a list of picture in the selected area, and you can use up and down arrow key to select more available picture. And the last number 3, here you will write finally, Finally. Finally, we select the desired stamp and bring it to the canvas. And after releasing the mouse button, you will observe that the picture has left in the canvas itself. So my dear children, this stamp tool is one of the most attractive feature of the TuxPaint, which help us to use the ready-made picture, predefined picture to make the presentation, to make the document, to make the file more perfect and more interesting. So my dear children, slowly we will come to know many more things about stamp tool and magic tool. Slowly we will discuss about all the features of TuxPaint. Today the video is still here only. I will not give you so many question answers because you have to prepare yourself for the assessment also, project also are there, other subjects are also there. And kindly be ready for the test which will happen tomorrow on Thursday from 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. You have to learn lesson 4, the internet web browser, and 10 objective question will come which you have to solve. And objective question will give you 4 options also. You have to choose the correct option. So my dear children, today the video is still here only. Have a nice day. Thank you, students.